Wa abanyaruka gwetania chimisato korwa chi county isano nemo nigo litko lia rero babekerwa Egutwa gose bakora graduation me skuru yobobundi ya Kenyenya ensemo yebunge yabo machoge borabu morobereyo bangetwe ne rishirikari manyakaine buna STEM Education for Empowerment Project nigo baeneke buna ekirenga kiabo negiyoko eneke buna balia gusaba n'abanyaruka amo nakubasegeta ase chikosi anene chiamagoko icho abange bamanyete buna nigo chigokorwa n'abana abamura.
This function is all about our graduation. We are so happy actually. Personally, I'm so happy getting to graduate from this institution. And I thank our sponsors, I thank them a lot for enabling me to pursue this course.
Happy for this day. Girls who are out there, girls can do it. This course is good.
My name is Dennis Mushiri. I work for CAP Youth Empowerment Institute. CAP Youth Empowerment Institute is an NGO in the TVET space, and we're the ones who have been running STEM Education for Empowerment project in collaboration with Hamba Polytechnic. This project is geared towards elevating the status of girls, and especially in STEM. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And we know historically, this STEM is normally seen as male-dominated career. But of course, we want to change that narrative by ensuring that we are leveling the ground for girls to join.
Kwanza kabisa wanafunzi walisomea masomo mbili. Kiingereza walisomea masomo inaitwa plumbing and pipe fitting. Wakasomea pia electrical wiring and installation. Kati ya hizo masomo mbili kuna zingine tatu pia walisomea ambayo ilikuwa na backup zile mbili wamesomea. Kwa hii project, STEM project, ambayo ni basic computer ambayo inawapea skills za kutumia computer. Tena wakasomea mambo ya biashara. Jinsi ambayo wakitoka hapa, yule alisomea electrical, anasafungua workshop yake.
Ogosoka kwa abana baita baisike bari kugira graduate ritukoria rero. Bariga iga bare no mogoko, bakorire chintunde isano baganyaine, rero barenge kwa graduation card cyabo, egera bacyake kwikorera egasi yabo.